welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are having a wonderful week. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my mascara. I promised this video when I completely forgot to show my mascara on my everyday makeup routine. So today I'm going to be showing you how I do that. Let's get started. First, I start by curling my eyelashes. This really makes a difference because my eyelashes have a slight curl, but nothing fantastic. And if I don't do this, then it looks really weird. Not going to go into depth on how I curl my eyelashes. Everybody has personal preference on how they like to do it. So, just curl your eyelashes the way you like to. And then I use my, sorry, I'm holding it upside down, my Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. I really love this mascara right now. I just think it's so pretty. And when I pull the mascara out, I scrape off the side of the brush that I'm going to be using. Otherwise, I feel it deposits way too much product. And I don't like super clumpy lashes. If you do, you can skip this step. And then I like to blink on my mascara. Come on, focus. I like to blink on the wand. And once I get some on, I like to wiggle the wand at the base of my lashes and then pull up. This just really helps ensure that you get a nice even coat of mascara on, and also that you are getting all the way to the roots, because I've seen a lot of people, my mom especially, put on mascara and it's only on half of her lashes. She doesn't quite know how to get the roots. So I hope this video helped you out, Mom. Because for some reason when I explained it in person, you don't seem to understand. And then I'm going to be doing the same thing for the other eye. Just blinking on. I also scrape off the wand for my lower lashes. And for some reason, I feel like this eye always looks so much better with mascara. Sorry if you heard that crashing. We have cats. And they're crazy. I don't do a lot of mascara on my lower lashes, but I do like to put some. I find that it looks too clumpy on my lower lashes for my personal preference. I'm going to go in with a second coat. Second light coat. And while that's still wet, I like to run through my lashes with an eyebrow spoolie just to separate them a little bit. Again, if you like your lashes clumpy, you can totally skip this step. And also, I do this when my mascara is wet, because you don't lose volume when it's wet. It actually helps to curl your lashes more, so that's why I really like this trick. Explaining was good enough. And then sometimes I get mascara on the little outer lashes, and I think it looks just a little bit weird, so take the mascara off of that, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful and that I explained things well enough. If you did enjoy, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also turn on post notifications so that you never miss any of my videos. Bye!